Welcome to another Food Label Maker tutorial. Today's video will walk you through how to create a front-of-pack label for your Canadian food products. First, set up your recipe as you typically would through your Recipe Setup and Recipe Builder sections. Then navigate to the Customize Label section. From there, choose the Canadian label style. And then click on your front-of-pack label section. Now, you will need to choose the reference amount for your product. For this example, we'll use pizza, but this process works for any recipe you create. You can search and select your category. You can also use the filter options to find the category that best matches your product from the list in our database. Once you select the appropriate category, click Close. Now, your front-of-pack label will be populated with the correct information on the right side of your dashboard, aligning with the correct threshold based on the reference amount. You can also choose your front-of-pack label formats that will update in real time. You have options of Standard Bilingual, Standard English Only, Linear Bilingual, or Standard Vertical formats depending on your preference. It is important to note that for you to be able to have the front-of-pack reflected when you download your label, make sure to select the option of Front of Pack in the Download drop-down list.